Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messenger video not playing. If you're using Facebook Messenger and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to play any video on your Facebook Messenger, you see error that your video is not playing. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing, you just have to try to update your Messenger app, but you have to also check that you are connected to a strongest and a stable network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data. And once you have done this, go to your App Store here and then go for search for Messenger. And you just have to make sure that your Messenger app is up to date. There is no any pending update for your Messenger app. If you find, just try to update your app. After updating, you have to go back from here and you have to open your Messenger app and retry to play a video. But if you're still facing the same issue, so very first I recommend you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Sometimes there will be an issue or any glitch into your iPhone software or your iPhone system, so it might have these type errors. So you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so there's the only way. You have to go to settings app here, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and here just look for Messenger app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete your app. So in case of offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or any malware into your TikTok app, it will be fixed in this step and you will not get the issue again. But if you still get the same issue, so you have to try to ask to the sender to resend you the video, or you can also try to forward the video to anyone else, and then you can see the video and other stats. So in this video, your issue will be fixed and you will not get an issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.